Hello there. So I have another unboxing from one of my favorite jewelry companies. Can you guess what it is? If you said read your heart, you guessed right. So the holiday season is officially here, and read your heart would be that perfect gift for that special someone. I am so excited to show you guys some new pieces that I got in from them. So let's get to it. And if you guys are not familiar with Read Your Heart, it is a Moissanite jewelry company. The pieces are very affordable, quality. Like, I've had Read Your Heart jewelry pieces for years now, and they still look beautiful. So make sure you check out their website. Every piece that I'm going to show you today, I will link it down below, but I just cannot say enough good things about this company. Customer service is great. The pieces, like I said, are beautiful. When I wear the pieces, people are like, where'd you get that from? And I have to tell them it's Read Your Heart. So when you order Read Your Heart, it's gonna come with this little gift bag. So like I said before, it makes the perfect gift. And they're helping you every step of the way, right? You got your jewelry piece, you got your little gift bag. You're also gonna get information about your pieces in this nice little envelope. So it's gonna tell you everything you need to know about your jewelry. And then of course they're going to give you cleaning cloths, and they're also going to give you information about their company, so you can read all about this wonderful jewelry company here and on their website. Let's get into the pieces. I am super excited. I love this company. Okay, every piece comes in a cute little jewelry box that says Read Your Heart. So let's look at the first one. Oh, and it also comes in a little plastic package. So the first one is a ring. Isn't that pretty? I don't know if the camera's gonna do it justice. Hopefully it will. It is gorgeous. I will make sure that I leave my link below, of course, my link below, so that you can shop with my link, but also each jewelry piece that I got, I will leave that below as well. I know that this is 1 carat, I believe. Okay, the second piece is this eternity band that I wanted to go with this ring so that it can be like a set. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. A perfect bridal set. If you are getting married, you guys, I wish you could see this in person. It really, the camera does not do it justice as to how beautiful it is. But it makes the perfect bridal set. I wear it as a bridal set. Sometimes I would just probably wear this ring by itself, because you can also make like a ring stack with it. But I truly love it. It is so beautiful. Let's get into the final piece. I totally forgot what I ordered, so this is gonna be a surprise. I can't wait to get into it. Another little box, and let's see. Oh, it's another ring. So I wanted, okay, because I'm really into jewelry, like ring stack these days. So I wanted a gold piece to go with some of my other jewelry, but this is a gold one. Okay, this is my first gold piece that I have got from them, and it's almost like the other one that I just showed you. It's like an eternity band, but it doesn't go all the way around. But this one, just like the other one, you can wear this alone, or you can make a jewelry stack. Let me go get my other rings really quickly so that you guys can see. I'll be right back. Okay, so I grabbed my 2 original wedding bands and then just put the Read Your Heart piece in between them. So it creates like a nice little band, like a little thick band there. I really like this gold jewelry. Make sure you check out Read Your Heart. I will link everything that I have here down below. This really makes a perfect gift for that special someone for Christmas, or even for yourself. They have amazing pieces at amazing prices. The shipping is great. The customer service is great. I cannot say more about this company. So check out Read Your Heart, and thank you guys so much for watching.